5 pi over 6. What about the other guy that was here? Oh, Abdullah was paying the price. What about the one that is in the center? 5 pi over 4. What about the other friend that is here? This guy is looking for bonus points. Okay, in quadrant number 4, the only difference will be that in quadrant number 4, I'm going to come counterclockwise. It's the only quadrant that is going to have values that are counterclockwise. And the first one is going to be in here, and this guy will be negative pi over 6 is the first one. The second one that is living in the center, negative pi over 4. The next one that is living in there, negative pi there and negative pi half, right?
Yeah.
And negative is not there, negative pi half is living there, right? Again, just quadrant number 4, the numbers for the radians are going to be negative. It's the only place that the answer must be negative, just in quadrant number 4. So far, so good. Any question?
Why is it only quadrant 4?
I don't know. But it's just in quadrant number 4.
Well,
That's an excellent question. I don't have the answer. Please, go ahead. Somebody was ready to say,
me. So how can you tell it's quadrant 4? Is it based off of this problem specifically?
Based on this one from here. Actually, I will try to answer Elijah's question. Because I'm coming in this part and the numbers from here are negative. That's the reason that those numbers in quadrant number 4 will be negative. Negative pi over 6, negative pi over 4 in the center, negative pi there, and negative pi half. Because we are right now in the left side of the graph.
Well, what about
Go ahead.
the pi over? Oh no, it's already positive, so it makes sense.
Got it?
Yeah.
I have a question for you. If I'm looking for the value for sine inverse at pi over 4, how much is the value for sine inverse at pi over 4? Right now I'm leaving here, right? Pi over 4. The value for sine inverse at pi over 4 will be
-2.
if you don't remember the numbers. Talking about this one, it was like this, right? I'm talking about this one, those numbers were and exactly. Great. Now we are talking in the same language. What about this one? Exactly. Hey guys, the numbers are exactly the same. What about this one from here? 0 and 1, right? I just don't have a lot of space in here, but those are the numbers. What about the numbers in quadrant number 4? Remember?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2.
He's on fire. Okay, negative pi over 6 will be
3 by 2 minus 1 by 2.
like this. Negative pi over 4 will be great. Negative pi there will be
1 by 2.
like this. Agree? What about negative pi half? And now everybody's quiet. 0, negative 1. Great. Guys, the numbers are exactly the same. I'm coming back with the question. How much is the value for sine inverse at pi over 4? It's in front of your face.
2, square root of 2.
Let's go to for 2 over 2. That means if I'm looking for this friend from here, sine inverse. Inverse means negative 1. Pi over 4, that guy is going to be square root for 2 over 2. That's it, nothing else. If I'm looking for sine inverse at negative pi third, how much is the answer for the exercise? Negative square root for 3 over 2 is the answer. So far, so good. What if I'm looking for sine inverse of 0? 0. How much is the value for sine of 0?
1. Sorry, 0.
0. Did you get it? All right. Let's go with the graph for cos. The graph for cos is coming in. It's like a game. Just don't avoid to get trapped. Okay. Cos, right? How can we know that that one is cos?
Because the
It
origin
doesn't
is.
start on the origin.
Yeah.
Exactly. She's not touching the origin. There is not a vertical shift for that one, right? Great. Please draw that one in your notebook. Can you see the blue side in there? Do it in a different color because that one is going to be the part that is inverse. It's the only part that is going to be taken in consideration. This one in here. That one is going to be the inverse for cos. Let me erase this lady from here. That means that the restriction will be just the blue part in there. Hey guys, draw it and try to identify the new domain and the new range. Again, try to identify with the people on your same table the new domain and new range.
Yeah, negative 1 to 1.
Backwards?
With time in order to find the answer.
Let me take something. Can we speak about the new domain and new range for that lady? I'm going to give you 30 more seconds to go over that one. 30 more seconds. Try to identify the new domain and new range. Hey guys, are you working together? And you are so quiet. So quiet. Oh, now it's better. Thank you.
It's just from the start of the graph, it's the first value to the last. So, the graph from here is the blue part. And so, x, domain x, so that would be 0, 5. But we're flipping, right? We're flipping domain and range. The domain would be, so the range would be y.
Dominant range. Dominant range. And then when it's going to be here too. In the circle.
Switch domain and range. So range would be 0 to 5. And the domain would be negative 1 to 1. So you, and then you write it like this with the bracket, the number, the comma, the last number.
Are we ready to speak? Domain, go ahead. Like this.
Yeah.
Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Go ahead, domain.
Wait.
If we disagree, go ahead.
So,
0, 5.
For the domain, no, domain. Domain is
uh,
no.
well, we're
That was
flipping it,
range.
right?
That was not right.
That was range.
Agree, disagree.
Disagree.
Do we have something else? Which one is the best one?
The last one.
1 and negative 1.
Negative 1 and 1. The domain will be negative 1 and 1. Wow, Mercy was saying like, no, that one is not there. Reg!
0 to 5.
Exactly. Now we are talking. 0 to 5. Agree or disagree? Great, great. That's excellent, that's excellent. Okay, inside the unitary circle, if the value for the range is going from 0 to pi, where can we find values for cos that are positive in the unitary circle?
Quadrant 1.
For sine, just pop this one, right?
Cos will be here, right?
Oh, this is.
As a positive value. Where the value for cos will be negative.
To the left.
In quadrant number 2. Cos is negative in quadrant number 2. Can I have values for cos in quadrant number 4?
Goes from 0 to 5.
Exactly. I am just from 0 to pi. That means that I am just in quadrant 1 and 2 for cos. Just in quadrant 1 and 2. For inverse, I cannot find values for cos inverse that are in quadrant 3 or 4. Actually, quadrant 3 does not work for nobody. Nobody will have value for sine, cos, tangent inverse. In quadrant 3, forget it. Cos is going to be 1 and 2. So far, so good. Aha. Professor, thank you so much. Cos inverse. Where is the place that I have this value for cos? It's negative, right? Quadrant 1 or 2? Quadrant number 2. Exactly where? 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 is the answer for this friend. 5 pi is the only place. We know that for the normal circle, the value for cos in this place is negative pi over 3, right? I'm sorry, negative square root for 3 over 2. But this place is not welcome for the values for cos inverse. The only place is just a 5 pi over 6. Did you get it? Right? Cos inverse of 0. Where are we? Where the value for cos is 0. 30 seconds to speak with the people on your table. 30 seconds. Beginning! Right now! I'm counting!
So, cosine, would that be, yeah, that would be at the top. So, but it's inverse, which, I guess, you don't have these inverses. Oh, no, you do, okay. Yes, I understood.
Like, is that gonna be like in the question?
It seems like it makes sense. Except for that.
Time is over! We're now in for cos inverse is 0. By half. By half is the answer. Great. 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 Let's do another one. Where the value for this guy is going to be friendly. 1/2. 30 seconds talking with the people on your table. Beginning right now for 1/2. 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wouldn't that just be I think it's X at pi over 3. Yeah, you can see it's right there. 1/2.
Hey guys, is somebody lost in the space? We need the sauce. Is somebody lost? Lost. How is Eduardo?
Yeah, it seems like.
How is Roderick?
I don't ever remember calling it inverse.
Positive, no? The half is
Hey guys, I'm going to give you another one. Still for cos inverse. Go with the people on your table. Actually, yeah. Thank you. This one from here. Go ahead.
Wouldn't that be? Would that be pi? Because at pi it's -1.
Don't let your partners behind. Help them. Hey Brian, who's working with you? All these things? Check with the guys in your side. Maybe they can help.
At pi.
Okay, so you know how 0 is 0 to 0, and then pi 6 is 3, square root 3
It's a
over 2,
little bit like.
pi is -1, comma 0, and that's the answer. So we kind of just actually
Yeah, it's not really.
points.
Can we speak about them? All right. Where the value for cos inverse is equal to 1/2. Okay, I heard this one, 2 pi third, somebody say pi third, and somebody say 5 pi over 6?
Yes.
5 pi over 6. Somebody else, some other answer that is supposed to be there is not there yet.
One half.
1/2. 1/2. Thank you. Some other answer that is supposed to be there, and your answer is still not there, and you want to say it to put it there. Okay, which one is the answer?
Pi over 3.
Okay, let's do the analysis. This number is positive, right? In which quadrant we are that the value for cos inverse is positive? Is quadrant 2 or quadrant 1? Quadrant number 1. That means that the answers are here for quadrant number 2, they are not going to be choices for us. This answer is looking for a radian, right?
Yeah.
Radian. That means that half will not be an answer either. The answer is pi over 3. That's the answer. Cos inverse of half, right?
Yeah.
Cos a half, pi over 3. Cos half, pi over 3. This guy is the answer, pi over 3.
Okay, so what about the first one we did? Cos inverse of negative root 3 by 2.
In which quadrant we are, 1 or 2? It's negative.
Yeah, negative. So it would be into.
Quadrant 2.
Okay.
Exactly where the value for cos is negative square root for 3 over 2.
5 pi by 6.
It's the only place, in this place.
Okay.
Got it? Questions with the first one? Can we move on?
Yeah.
Where the value for cos inverse is negative 1.
Hi.
Pi. Great. Any question with them? Questions with them? Excellent. How do we feel with them? Friendly, right? All right. Let's speak about the graph for tangent. This lady is the graph for tangent, right? Okay. I'm going to go with the bar that is going to be the inverse for tangent. That one is tangent, right?